Hi and welcome to Basic Mixer. Today we're going to try an experiment. So I like to try new things, and so I'm going to use this recycled glass bottle and try to see if I can do kind of an aquaponics thing, but not like officially, and put this mint plant in there and see with these rocks. And I'm going to put, well actually tomorrow, I'm going to put a little bit of fish fertilizer in there and see if we can grow it inside without dirt. So these were harvested from the garden, so these potatoes, so I didn't film that, but anyway, that's nice, we're thankful for that. And so let's mix it up. My husband didn't want dirt in here because he thought that might attract bugs or something, so that's part of the reason that we're going to try this experiment. Or should I rinse these off? I think I put them in here first. Just put them in the bottom here. And then I'm going to rinse this off so that it doesn't have any dirt in it. The little bit of dirt that's in there in the garden. And I'm going to stick it in here. See how that goes. Probably I'll rinse these rocks off too, because I don't know if they have anything on them that would be harmful or what. Just got some from the 99-cent store. Thought that might work well in our experiment. Okay. Might be a quicker way to do this, but sure if I can pour them without making a huge mess, though. Maybe I can. Let's try it. Good. Wasn't expecting the loose leaves there, but anyway. Okay, so I'm going to pause this while I take this outside and rinse it off because it's a little dark right now. And then I'm going to come back and put it in there. Okay, so I encountered a challenge. My challenge is that the root ball is way bigger than the opening. So, because of that, we're going to have to switch containers here and use this recycled bottle. So, check in to see the next video to see what happens. Will our plant live and thrive? I sure hope so. So please like, subscribe, and feel free to comment, and thank you so much.